Welcome! If you want to change icon shape into Motorola Moto G41, first of all need go into Play Store and find X icon in Changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing. I'm already installed this, so click open. Wait a second for opening. And now choose your icon. For example, maybe I don't know, Ampere application. Okay. So then you choose your icon, for example, this one or this. Okay, when you choose it, click OK in the top right corner. Wait a second for need close ads. And then need add automatically tapping. And now when you opening your home screen, you got this new icon of your Ampere application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.